Hello everyone, welcome to the post-GATE guidance program conducted by IMS GATE Academy. So you people might be expecting your GATE result on 21st of March. So after having your GATE score, what is the selection criteria for taking admission in MTech program in all the NITs? What is the last year cutoff? What is the placement scenario for NIT Warangal and NIT Trichy that we will going to discuss today. So first of all, if I talk about taking admission in any of these NITs, you need to first of all register into CCMT portal. CCMT is a centralized counseling portal for MTech. Here, the institutes that act as a reporting centers are all the NITs that are there present in this CCMT portal. If I talk about some of the important dates, so for starting the online registration and fee payment and online choice filling, it may be expected that it will going to start on the first week of June. Then last date of online choice filling and locking by the candidate can be expected on the first week of July, and automatic locking or saved online choices will be expected on the first week of July. So this is the usual counseling procedure that is conducted by CCMT for all the candidates who are willing to take admission in the NIT. So CCMT is the only portal through which any student will be allotted a seat in a particular specialization in all the NITs. If I talk about first and the very important NIT of our country, which is NIT Trichy, having an NIRF ranking of 8. For civil engineering graduates, the specializations that are offered for NIT Trichy is structural engineering, transportation engineering, geotechnical engineering and environmental engineering. If I talk about what is the last year GATE score cutoff for all these specialization, for structural engineering general category, the last year GATE cutoff was 652. For EWS, it was 573. For OBC, it was 597. For SC, it was 469. For ST, it was 540. For transportation engineering, general category cutoff was 573. For EWS, it was 532. OBC, it was 531. SC, it was 387. For ST, it was 332. For geotechnical engineering, the general category cutoff of 2022 was 531. For EWS, it was 510. For OBC, it was 503. For SC, it was 376. For ST, it was 263. For environmental engineering, the general category cutoff was 572, EWS category cutoff was 556, OBC category was 474, for SC and ST it was 371 and 219. If I talk about what is the placement scenario for NIT Trichy, first of all, I would like to tell you, all those students who have opted for structural engineering, they are 100% placed, and they are placed at a very good salary package, and they are hired by the top structural consultancies of our country. If I talk about the total placement scenario, so total students that graduated from NIT Trichy in the batch of 2019-20 were 443. Out of them, 335 were placed, having an average CTC of 7 LPA. Apart from that, 27 students went for higher studies, that is, they opted for PhD. So if I talk about the overall placement scenario for NIT Trichy, it was very good. Almost all the students who took MTech program for civil engineering were placed at NIT Trichy. Next, if I talk about the next NIT, which is NIT Warangal, having an NIRF ranking of 21. Again, it is one of the best college in our country to pursue your masters. If I talk about the specializations that are offered for civil engineering at NIT Warangal includes engineering structures, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, water resource engineering, remote sensing and geographic information system, environmental engineering, construction technology and management, and last one is waste management. Again, out of all these specializations that are offered at NIT Warangal, engineering structures, transportation engineering, environmental engineering and construction technology and management are well placed specializations. Almost all the students who opted for these 4 specializations are 100% placed. If you opt for these 4 specializations, 2 scenarios are there. First of all, You will be hired for direct construction company, or you can be hired by these consultancies to do the design work. Especially if I talk about environmental engineering, there is an area of impact assessment or sustainability engineer, which is of high demand nowadays in all the companies. So you can also target this kind of job by opting for environmental engineering as your specialization. If I talk about the last year GATE score cutoff for engineering structures, general category cutoff was 583, EWS it was 535, OBC it was 535 again, for SC and ST it was 402 and 346. For geotechnical engineering, general category cutoff was 489, EWS it was 452, OBC it was 458, and for SC and ST it was 389 and 277. For transportation engineering, the general category cutoff was 526, EWS category cutoff was 510, OBC category it was 502, and for SC and ST it was 326 and 316. For water resource engineering, general category cutoff was 434, EWS category cutoff was 378, OBC category cutoff was 403, for SC and ST it was 305 and 249. For remote sensing and geographic information system, general category cutoff was 369, EWS category cutoff was 352, OBC category cutoff was 406, for SC it was 271. For environmental engineering, general category cutoff was 491, for EWS it was 392, for OBC it was 442, for SC and ST it was 330 and 272. For construction technology and management, general category cutoff was 532, EWS it was 483, for OBC it was 476, for SC and ST it was 350 and 291. And last one is waste management. General category cutoff was 409, EWS it was 368, OBC it was 369, and for SC and ST it was 287 and 263. So if you look in all of these cutoffs, if you have a GATE score anywhere above 450, so you can expect a very good branch in NIT Warangal, right? If I talk about the placement scenario for NIT Warangal, for the batch of 2019-20, the total students who graduated their masters were 526, out of which 178 were placed, having an average CTC of 8 LPA. This data is totally related to master students. No students who are doing their BTech is included in this data, right? So this is the placement scenario for MTech students, out of which 51 students went for higher studies, that is they opted for PhD rather than joining any job. This data is taken from the NIRF report of 2022. Both of these colleges, it may be NIT Trichy or NIT Warangal, can be a very good option to pursue your masters, especially in civil engineering. These two are very old colleges. They have a very experienced faculty with abundant lab facility. Each and every kind of equipment you will find at NIT Trichy and NIT Warangal. In fact, the placement is expected to improve this year. So if you have a GATE score anywhere above 450 for general category students, you can apply for NIT Trichy and NIT Warangal, and you can expect a good branch in both of these NITs. So this is the complete information about NIT Trichy and NIT Warangal. Hope you have find this video useful. Thank you for watching.